Come on, Sarah.
Yeah.
Run hard, Sarah. Through the base. Through the base.
Your job is to go cover second. You got to go cover if it's hit to that side of the field.
Good job.
No standing around.
Nice hit.
Hey,
Say hi.
remember what I said? If the ball's hit on that side, your job is
Good job running past the base, okay?
hit on this side.
Okay.
Oh, it's not hit to me. I'm running over here because I got something to do. I got a responsibility, okay?
Come on, Lex. Come on, Slugger.
Juliana, stop over here.
Run. Foul ball. Way to run. Way to go, Sarah. Good job.
This again. Turn, throw. Okay, you got to do it right. Get that ball. First base, first base.
Come on, Lex. Run through the base. Through the base.
Good job.
Hey, nice hit, though. Nice hit. Awesome job. All right, run it out. Run it back.